Hey, I'm Erskine Hawkins, and I toured with Eminem for a few years, and this is one of the songs that we would play in the show every night, and now I'm gonna teach it to you. So this song starts off in D minor. We are in D minor. So we're gonna start with the intro first. And let me show you the chords first, and then we'll break down the pattern. So the chords first are D minor, C, and B flat major 7. D minor, C, B flat major 7. All right, so left hand first. D minor, C, B flat major 7. We're not gonna play the fifth, so it's 1, 3, no 5, 7. 1, 3, 7. One more time, left hand. D minor, C, B flat major 7 with no 5. Last time, D minor, C, B flat major 7 with no 5. Awesome, good, halfway there. Right hand, D minor, C, B flat major 7 with no B flat. Then we'll play a line. It's a D minor line, just kind of walking through the D minor scale. Again, from top. D minor, C. Technically, if we're gonna think of it this way, it's D minor again. Then the D minor 7 scale. Let's try both hands together, shall we? Let's see. So we've got D minor, C, B flat major 7, no 5. Together. Awesome. Now let's pause here for a second. If that's too tough to do both hands together, definitely take your time, work one hand at a time. And stay there until you've got it. Easy. Awesome, that's as far as we go. One more time from the top and we'll keep going. That's the first half of the intro. Now for the second half. We're gonna do the same thing, except we're gonna jump down to G minor. So we'll go to the left hand first, this is the second half of the intro. G minor, F. Now we're gonna play E half diminished. E, half diminished. Again, D minor, or G minor, I'm sorry. F. And the last chord we're gonna play is an A major. There we go. That is our left hand. Right hand, G minor. This is an F chord, but we're not playing the F chord. The F chord is gonna be in our left hand, so we're just playing melody in our right hand here. It's the first note of the F chord, or the third note. Very melodic. G minor. B flat, C sharp, D flat, C sharp, however you want to think of that. So hands together, G minor, F, one more time, G minor, F, A, B flat, C sharp, and we're playing an A major chord in the left hand. That is the intro. You have made it through that. I'm gonna play it one more time. We'll do it one more time together, and then we'll move on. We are heading into the verse of the song. Intro. Down to the second half, G minor. All right, that was the intro. Now let's get to the verses and the chorus. Those are a lot easier than the intro for sure. On the record, it's actually a guitar and a bass and drums. Piano doesn't really come in until later on, but we are going to play something. So we're gonna play along with the guitar. So he'll start talking and we are gonna play left hand only. We are gonna play in D minor. We're gonna play D and A. And then we're gonna move that A up to a B flat, then back down to an A. D stays where it is the whole time. Then we're gonna play a G, then we're gonna play an E. Look, I don't know what he says. You only get one shot, something like that. Something, something, something. In time, join me. If you want to make this fun, you can try that. You can try it, and you don't have to. Try it in your right hand, and then in your left hand, you'll just play a low. Just gives it a real dark. Okay, there's that. This is basically the whole verse is this. Now, if you really want to get creative, back to the left hand, we're gonna bounce with the guitar. Now we're gonna throw in like a grace note. That's very guitar-esque. We're a piano, so we wouldn't always play this. I like to play it though. It's G to A. Same thing, so F to G. It's kind of like a slur, a little grace note kind of into it, but it's a whole step approach. Awesome. That's it. That's all we're doing for the verse. Last but not least, the chorus. We are going to play a D minor chord, no 7, just D minor. Here's D minor, first inversion. We're going to play a D minor in second inversion. Yeah. Then we're going to play a B flat major. Then we're going to play a C major. D minor first, second inversion. B flat major. Yeah? Yeah? You guys hear that? Now, we're not all the way done with the chorus, but I'm gonna throw in my left hand just so you guys can hear where we are. what? I guess we will go ahead and move in the chorus. We will go ahead and move our left hand. We'll play D and A, D and B flat, D and C. You can do it. I know you can. D and A, D and B flat, D and C. Easy enough. D minor, second inversion. B flat major, C major. That's the first half of chorus. This is a D minor. It's a D minor 7 chord, where we're gonna play some melody. D, C, B flat, A, G, A. So, D minor, B flat, C, yeah? D, G, F, G. We're gonna play a G minor chord. G minor, F, and then we're gonna play a C in second inversion. That's the whole thing. And then we've got this little melodic line to turn us around. G, B flat, A. All right, this is the whole chorus. D minor second inversion. Okay. In time, we're gonna try with our left hand. Our left hand is just bouncing with us with the bass drums. When we go down to G, the G chord, we're gonna go to G as well in our left hand. And then when we go to C, we'll go down to E. B flat, C, A, G, E. All right, all we've got left is the chorus together. Ready? Here we go. C. Yeah. G minor. Down to C. E in the bass. Okay, cool. I'll play the chorus in time. Awesome. Are we ready to try it from the top? One good time from the top, and I think we've got it. Then the music starts. We're heading down to the chorus. Okay, so now you have all the pieces for Eminem's Lose Yourself and how to play that on piano. Comment below, let me know if you enjoyed the video. I'd love to hear some of you guys practicing. Let me know how it's going, and I will see you guys later. His palms are sweaty.